Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by exposing the hardware. Remove any decorative rosette or trim plate with a flat screwdriver to reveal set screws. You do this now because hidden fasteners stop later access. Once exposed, clear debris and spray a little lubricant on stubborn screws so they turn smoothly. This reduces stripping. Make sure to support the knob with one hand when you loosen screws to prevent it from snapping off and damaging the spindle or interior trim. Next, loosen the set screw or screws on the knob shaft using the correct hex or flat screwdriver. Back them out until the knob slides free. You pull the knob straight off the spindle while keeping the opposite side steady. Then unscrew the two faceplate screws on the door edge and withdraw the latch assembly. Wiggle gently if stuck. Once the latch is out, check the spindle and spring for wear, because a damaged spindle causes sticking and should be replaced now. Finally, remove the rose or backplate screws to free both knob halves and the internal cam or springs. Lay parts out in order so reassembly is easy. Clean grease and debris, replace any visibly worn pawls or springs, and lightly grease moving surfaces before reassembling. Once reinstalled, cycle the knob and latch to confirm smooth operation and proper alignment with the strike plate. If a part won't budge, apply penetrating oil, wait a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.